guys, so today I'm here and I'm actually going to review the Arctic Fox Purple Rain hair dye. If you guys haven't watched it, definitely check it out. I showed you guys how I got to the point of lightening it with vitamin C as well as me dyeing this, so definitely check out my hair journals playlist. I will link that down below so you guys can, but without further ado, let's give this a review. Alright, so this is what's in my hair now. Granted, I did wash this twice so far, so it's not as vibrant, but I still think it held up beautifully. I think with even using it just one time, I have enough experience with semi-permanent hair dyes and just hair dyeing in general. Very well-rounded opinion about Arctic Fox. So, I will say I absolutely love this color. It's beautiful. It is kind of more on the pricey side, so do be aware of that. However, I do find it worth it. It is cruelty-free and vegan, so for those who ask, there's no peroxide, no ammonia, no alcohols, and it's pretty much like a deep conditioning treatment when you're dyeing your hair. I actually found that my hair was in better condition after dyeing it than when it was before. Super nice. It's semi-permanent. This will not damage your hair at all, so that's really nice. The only damage is if you bleach it beforehand, but that wouldn't be, you know, this fault. I've used plenty. I've used Splat, Manic Panic, Ion, the Joko, whatever you want to call it. I've used Punky Color. I've used a bunch of different semi-permanent hair dyes over the years, and honestly, I will say this one's my favorite so far. Just by the way so far it's been fading, by the way like it picked up on my like hair color, especially because it was so uneven with so many tones in it. This did, I thought, a great job. I was really impressed by it, honestly. I love that it smells like grapes. I find that the product consistency is very nice. I like the spreadability of the product. I find that it's very true to color, depending of course on your level of blonde or if you're brown, whatever you're trying to do, so do keep that in mind. But for me, in my case where it was like blonde, it was very true to color. Again, this is Purple Rain. I just really like this. I highly will recommend this over them. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but you're getting better quality ingredients, and it's a nicer quality hair dye. So I definitely really love this. I'm going to continue to use Arctic Fox as a brand, especially because it is non-damaging. I'm trying to keep my hair healthy. My new hair now comes in white. I know, because I'm white already. I'm 26 and my hair's already coming in white, but I don't need to bleach it anymore, and it covers up the white, I think, just fine. Granted, I know I washed my hair twice, but like it covers it just fine, and I wasn't sure because I couldn't get the Punky Color to cover up the white hair. I'm not talking about it was bleached white. I'm talking about it comes in white, and it would like literally wash away all where the new rootage was, where it was white. It would wash away with the one wash, and that's where I had a hard time keeping it. I loved the red. I loved it so much, but I was also just like kind of getting bored with it. I wanted something new, especially, you know, you go through something, you're like, oh, change my hair, new person, who's this? That kind of thing. But yeah, I wanted something new for fun, and I did cut my hair, which honestly, since I cut it, I think makes this like look so much better. Granted, right now my hair doesn't look absolutely amazing. I just kind of braided it last night, and I took out the braids like now. It's hours ago. It's raining. It probably looks a mess right now, but it's so much healthier than what it was since before I cut it, and now I got a hair care regimen I've been doing for the past like 2 weeks. Guys, especially the past week since I cut it, has been a huge difference. Like, I already noticed a difference when it was still like a lot of dead hair. Well, it's all dead, but super damaged hair. I noticed a huge difference, but after I cut it, humongous difference on my hair. So, I'm going to do a whole video on that, by the way. But overall, I highly recommend the Arctic Fox, at least the Purple Rain. I know that one's really good. So I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up.